Good evening.
Good evening.
Congratulations to your success recently. You have passed the preliminary English test with pretty high scores, 165, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So, first of all, how do you feel about it?
First of all, I have to say that I was I feel really great, and I was surprised about my score too. I thought that I couldn't do that, but after all, I still really proud. However, when I looked to each score of the four skills, I felt quite disappointed about my writing score.
So, what do you think are the reasons for your failure in achieving a high score in writing?
You know that after I got the quite low score for the writing, I spent about nearly an hour thinking what I have done in my test. And then I realized that maybe I missed some steps while I was doing the test.
Oh, have you figured out what you have missed?
Yes, that's right. I know that after I read what the parent asked me to do, I forgot to brainstorm. Yeah, forgot to brainstorm, arrange the ideas in my mind. All right.
So you forgot drawing the outline before you write, right? That's what you mean?
Yeah, that's right.
You brainstorm the ideas. It's like collect what you should write about. What are the main idea and the supporting idea, the thesis statement.
Yeah.
And you forgot drawing the outline.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also
that's a big mistake.
That's right.
So the thesis statement gonna decide what you're gonna write, what you're gonna open in the body part, in the body paragraph.
Yeah.
If you focus on talking about the difficulties during the wartime, in the Qing Dynasty.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Is that the way they call it, Qing Dynasty? It's a dynasty.
Yeah, that's right. But I
don't remember exact name. But they call it Qing Dynasty, right? So the whole process of liberating Vietnamese people from Chinese government.
Yeah.
From the Chinese dynasty at that time. If you focus on that and you give people a hint in the thesis statement, and you're gonna dissect deeply into the process of the liberation of Vietnamese people, then they're gonna looking for it. They will look for it in your body paragraph, and you can navigate them. You can navigate people's attentions in their body paragraph much easier. It's very confusing for you, even for you, to decide, should I talk about this part?
Yeah,
that's right. Should I talk about that part? Should I talk about the word? Should I talk about the preparatory process? Because the book is pretty long, right? It's
that's right.
Book. They talk a lot. They talk about the whole period of time. But you don't have that length of writing in your essays. You have to summarize. You have to select the highlight, some of the highlight to write about, to present to the readers. So if you don't have the outline, you don't decide it first, then while you're writing, you will make a mistake of repeating yourself.
I see. That's my weakness too. Speaking, that I am always speaking too fast. And I don't arrange the ideas in my mind. So that's the reason why I lost 2 points for my speaking test.
Solution for all of the weaknesses you have figured out.
The first reason is that whenever I write something, I should read carefully what the essay told me to do. And then I start arranging the ideas in my mind, write them down, and then I start writing. On the other side, I think that knowing some advanced vocabulary also important. Yeah, because I think that when you write, you should use more useful and advanced vocabulary, so that help you to get the high points.
But if you don't understand advanced vocab well enough, it's gonna be a big minus point. It's not gonna be your strength.
Yeah, and so I think that when you decide to use an advanced word, you have to know what its meaning is, exactly the exact meaning. I think that you can know that by using the dictionary, and you learn them and you make sentences with them so that you can understand how can use correctly.
Give yourself some time and then go online and research, or open your notebook and have a look at what you have learned in our classes, and you yourself draw the outline again.
Yeah, I think that I also like researching. Yeah, I think so.
And
Yeah.
I think that I have given you a book, a great writing,
Yeah, that's right.
right?
Yeah.
So I think next time we're going to work on that in order to see how should we organize our writing well. Even if you have such a long writing, it doesn't count. We don't count word for the score. We count on ideas and the structures of your writing.